Hello everyone, let us solve this very easy problem named as missing number. So let's read the problem statement first. Given an array of nums containing n distinct numbers in the range between 0 to n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. So we are given with nums which have n distinct numbers, right? So all the numbers will be distinct to each other. Suppose we are given with this input. Okay, so for this case, what should be the value of n? For this scenario, the value should be the size of it, which is 3, right? So if we want to print all the numbers from 0 to 3, what will be the result? 0, 1, 2 and 3 if we include 3 also, right? So for this scenario 301, what is the missing number? It is 2, right? 0, 1, then 2 is missing, so we have to basically print the missing number from the array. So how can we solve it? So one way it can be like we have to traverse from 0 to n, and then we have to check that if 0 contains in this array, it does contain, then we have to check if 1 contains in the array, it does contain, then we have to check if 2 contains in the array, it doesn't contain, right? So we have to take one value from 0 to n, and then we have to check from the array of it, right? So this is basically this should be basically n square solution if we have to traverse the array twice, right? One is for checking and the another is for identifying, and the other one is for traversing, right? Okay, so how we can actually solve it in better time complexity? So if we set an if we declare a set basically contains distinct numbers, so which actually aligns with our problem statement. All the numbers will be distinct basically. So we will have a set, then we input all the values from the array to the set, and then we check that if and then we traverse from 0 to n, and then we check if a given number contains in the set or not. If it doesn't contain in the set, we just return the value, right? So first of all, we declare a set, set integer named as checker, right? And also we have to return the output is basically a number, right? We have to return that too. Now for all the values in nums, what we have to do, we have to basically input in our set, insert all the values from the array. Now in the next step, you have to again run an loop from 0. Now one noticing thing is that by 0 to n, they actually meant the including value of n also, including value of 0 also. So we have to start from 0, and then we have to include n, then we have to do this. And if our checker dot find contains the value of I does not contain, what we have to do, we have to basically set our answer as the missing number, and if it does contains, then we just continue, and then we return the answer. Okay, we did a mistake. Oh, so why now just meant the size, right? Okay, so you can see it accepted. So actually the memory is quite bigger. Okay, so what is the issue here? There is no issue basically. It is a right solution, but it can be improved, right? So what will be time complexity for this scenario? The time complexity will be big O of n, right? Big O of n plus big O of 1. Why this is? Because in order to insert into the set, it will run big O of 1 time complexity, and as we are traversing the nums in one pass, it will take big O of n, right? And for space complexity, there is no space complexity of 1. I hope you understood the problem and the answer. Thank you for watching.